Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. As promised, I uploading today's video. This time I have created a watercolor painting of a lady. Be sure to watch the video till the end. So step by step process, sketching the outline at first. So I started with a light sketch of the lady. Remember, in watercolor painting it is crucial to keep the sketch as light as possible. So if it's too dark, the lines may remain visible after applying the paint. Wet and wet technique. So I began painting using the wet and wet technique. For this I mixed a small amount of Gamboge Hue, yellow ochre and a touch of white to create a soft texture. Adding a little water to the mix lighten the color. Using a 1-inch flat brush, I applied this color all over the face, avoiding the lips and eyes. Now adding the shadows and hair details. Once the base layer dried, I darkened the pre-mixed color by adding burnt sienna. This darker shade was used for the hair. After it dried, I moved on to the eyes. I mixed cobalt blue with water for a little hue and applied it to the eyes. Then I added black to the cobalt blue for a deeper tone, which I used for the eyeliner. Now for the eye details and realistic effects. For the eyebrows, I used black mixed with the other color to avoid a flat, unnatural look. Remember, we rarely see pure black on the face. Shadows are often subtle planes of the color. I also applied the pre-mixed color between the eyes and eyebrows, adding depth. Now lighting and the shadows. So since the light source in this picture paintings comes from the right side, I kept the left side slightly darker to create a natural contrast. I detailed the eyebrows further and added a mix of blue and black to the pupil for a realistic look. Now for the lips, I used mixed with crimson red with a little white light and applied sparingly, focusing on the shadow areas while leaving some other untouched to represent light reflections. On the neck, I used a mix of burnt sienna and yellow ochre to create soft shadows. Now the final touch. To complete the hair, I added more details using burnt sienna mixed with a touch of black. Finally, I refined the painting by erasing overlay dark areas. To do this in watercolor, use a clean, slightly wet brush to gently lift the color, and then dab with cotton wool. Just press slightly, don't rub. Now the painting is a freestyle. This painting is a freestyle watercolor piece, so some areas may look intentionally unfinished. If you would like me to create a painting of your favorite person or loved person, then feel free to send me their pictures along with your name and location to my WhatsApp number +918509633785. I will create a short video of the artwork and upload it in my short video section. You can share then it to your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep creating and uploading new contents. Thank you for watching and happy painting. Thank you.